how to adjust photo exposure on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on picture. So click on this edit icon. So after click on this edit icon, click on this icon. So after click on this icon, search exposure. So you will see exposure is here. So if you want to adjust, so after adjusting, click on save, and you will see adjust photo exposure. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can adjust photo exposure on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.